Okay, I'm going to attempt to replace this bathroom countertop and this faucet. This faucet here didn't have shut-offs. It was hard connected, meaning you can't shut it off underneath the sink. I managed to take out this mirror here. It was a mirror. It's over here. And here are the two shut-off valves. These are expensive. $36 for the pair. Okay. Got the water shut off. I'm going to put those in now. Okay, so I've successfully removed the sink part of it, but we've also got the base that goes around the sink. I've installed those two shut-off valves like I showed you. They weren't there before. I disconnected the old sink and just yanked it out. There are probably about 4 screw-in bolts holding the base in, and then there's the 2 screws holding the faucet on, but you didn't need to remove those because they were attached to the sink, and you just haul the sink out. Okay, so now I'm going to attempt to take this thing out. Okay, this is the new sink. Managed to fit it in. At this point in time, you want to bring your wife in to impress her. Let's call her in.
Oh, look at how nice that is.
Do you want to call? Do you want to put
fucking drain over here instead of over here where you can't see it? What a bunch of fucking assholes!
Better take it back.
Nope. Well, what's it going to do? It's going to drip into the drawer?
No, it's all internal.
Oh, okay.
Do you want me to finish it?
Yeah, I knew there'd be painting to do.
Okay, so I finished off the drain. The drain was a real problem, a real headache. I got the faucet in. The drain actually works. So you push this down, pull it up, drain goes down. Does that look like it works? Yeah, I'm not going to turn the tap on right now. The water's shut off by those little valves I put in. The silicone is still drying, which is sealing. So, I think what I'll do is I'll Photoshop the rest. Let's take a photo and we'll Photoshop a beautiful job.
Nice job, Dave.